In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do an auto-numbered table and figure captions in Microsoft Word. Manually typing out figure 1 or table 1 underneath your document assets completely breaks your layout the moment you insert a new image or shuffle pages. Instead of manually retyping every single digit down the line, you can force Word to dynamically track your media sequence. And today we are deploying Word's native captioning engine to lock in flawless auto numbering. Let's assign a dynamic tracker to your first asset. So now let's assign a dynamic tracker to this asset, scroll through your document and click directly on your image or table to highlight it. Then right-click the asset to pull up the context menu. Scroll down and click the Insert Caption. Alternatively, you could also look up at your top ribbon, click the Preferences tab, and click the Insert Caption button from the top menu. When the configuration window opens up, click the Label dropdown and choose either figure or table. I'll choose a figure. Word will instantly inject the number 1 next to it. And now we can append your title and look at how Word sequences them. In the top text field, save that, and in the top text, hit space right next to your auto-generated number. Type your custom title text and then click OK. When you move down your document to your next image and repeat this exact process, Word automatically tags it as number 2. If you later drag a new image ahead of your current assets, don't panic if the numbers don't change right away. Simply press Ctrl A to highlight your entire document layout and hit F9 on your keyboard to force a global refresh on the numbering sequence. By locking your assets into this automated caption database, you could also generate a flawless self-updating table of figures or list of tables with a single click later on. But that's it for this one. If you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.